3, 2, 1, go. You did it by yourself. This vacation has been very relaxing. It's not as usual what we do when we go, like when we're camping or other things. So we're here in Corolla, or as the locals call it, Corolla. Found that out, that if you're a tourist, you pretty much probably call it Corolla, like the vehicle. We had to check out this beach and have a beach day. We knew the girls weren't gonna last forever, but it was their first time seeing the ocean. Played some QB54, which is a cool game. Got to make sandcastles, so awesome trip out to the lovely beach of Corolla. Of course, I did what every dad does, and I lugged a gorilla cart all the way down with 40, 50 pounds of things we probably don't need.
Ah, the beach, a place of calm, serenity, waves, sun, and breeze. But not for you, because you're a dad now. And there's no such thing as a beach vacation with small children. It's a week you spend dragging a wagon around through the sand with 40 pounds of useless beach in it.
We do it anyways, right?
Like funny dad.
Kai, you having fun? What'd you make, Ar?
I'm not making anything.
Well, whatever it is, it looks great. Hi, are you and Mommy looking for seashells?
I want to go swimming in the water.
Oh no! We're gonna run it. Oh. Okay, up! You're...
But I got ocean water right now.
Okay. Yeah, that's salt water.
You wanna get a little closer, Kai?
The pressure of that water.
Just right here is fine?
Yeah.
I got you. It's right there. All right, it was right there. It's right
there.
Then give us some money.
Where?
In my ocean.
Okay.
We can't swim or anything.
We'll just go right here.
12 seconds later.
Okay, too much money.
Too much. All right, we'll go back. You having a fun time? What are you making? What'd you guys think of your first time at the beach? Fun? Glad you did it? So this is day 2 of our trip, right guys? Decided to go to the beach. Only coming here for a few hours and then going back to the pool. The girls wanted to play in the sand. But you want to go back and have some lunch, play in the pool in the hot tub?
Before we get in there, we have to feel it. You have to feel the hot tub.
Yeah, see if it feels good?
It might burn your hand. It might burn Kai's hand. It might burn your hand and Kai's hand.
That makes sense. Worst part about going to the beach is definitely lugging everything here and then back. But we got a little gorilla cart and that was the beach house provided. Still just a trek to walk to the beach access because all the spots were taken up. But fun day, gonna go back, relax, make some lunch. What else?
Yeah.
Look at you go.
We got carried away.
Yeah, you got carried away?
Yeah, we got one.
How many did you get?
Just on the trip here? All
Look.
these.
Like 100?
back there tomorrow morning, Pastor.
You want to come back to the beach?